Today we're going to be replacing the old incandescent bulbs in this 2009 Nissan Sentra with brand new LED lights from AUXITO. I believe that's how you pronounce it. So I'll go ahead and show you these lights, and these are the H13 models. Okay, it's the 90008. And these lights, I'll go ahead and show them to you here. They look pretty good, all right? And these, you can see the heat sink in them. But what it comes with zip ties to kind of hold back all of the wiring. And then it also has your owner's manual or product installation manual, as well as gloves here to wear while you're doing the install. So the first thing we have to do is we have to go ahead and remove the old incandescent bulb. And so we'll do that right now. So once you rotate out the light plug, you'll have the bulb here. And so what you can do is push in on this tab right here. And a lot of times that'll eject it out, but if it doesn't eject it out, there's a little gap in here. If you can bring the camera this way. There's a little gap in here, and you can put a flathead screwdriver in there and then twist, it pops it out. So that helps alleviate some of that struggle. So once you get that bulb out, now you're gonna go ahead, do the other side, and then we'll put on our gloves and get the new bulbs in. Okay, so here is the LED light. You can see it is double-sided with two LEDs on each side. And then here is the main heat sink for it. It's a pretty nice looking heat sink. And then this is its kind of digital, kind of make sure it mimics properly the electronic frequency and everything with the onboard computer. So all you have to do is take this and rotate it into place, and that'll help us secure it. So what you're going to be doing is starting with the cord side straight down, and that will lock you into the right place, and then you twist it going clockwise, righty-tighty. And then you just take the wiring harness, and this is where you're going to be snapping everything back in. Only works one way. Alright, and once you hear it click, you're good to go. Quick comparison of the two lights. Here's the standard light bulbs at the garage. Here's with the LEDs, much more full light. Here's inside the garage, standard. And here's with the LEDs, a lot more lights, quantity being put out there. So went ahead and drove down dirt road, or I'm sorry, rural road. LEDs on the left, standard on the right. You can see that the LEDs is much more flush and full light across the entire angle of the bulb shine. And you could definitely appreciate it not just close up, but far away and along the sides of the road. I feel like I have a better depth of vision. And then, you know, look, I did 1,000 miles of driving, and I haven't had a single issue yet with the bulbs, so that goes to speak to their reliability. And this is after, this video right here is after that 1,000, so I kind of had a chance to see if there was any dimming, and I had none of that. Here's me, I turn on the brights here, and definitely with the brights on the LEDs, you can see a little bit farther and a better lighting up, getting a full light on whatever was shining on. Here's looking at the front of the vehicle. You can do a comparison of the light color and kind of what oncoming cars would see with the LED on the right there and the standard bulb on the left. And then now it's like looking at a brick wall here. You can see that there's a lot more full light that's shining on the left side where the LEDs are versus the standard on the right. And I would say it's enough of a difference to warrant getting these bulbs, especially if you have to replace them. So here's the driving. I kind of wanted to see the comparison of kind of what it looks like. Not much of a difference, but it's up to you. So anyway, if you guys have any questions, go ahead and post them down below. Appreciate it. Thanks.